What's going on, everybody? You saw them in the thumbnail and the title. We've got the Fear 4s, the new re-release that's going to be dropping this month. And yeah, I've already looked at one of them. Pretty good quality materials here. The color blocking's just stunning. These shoes are stunning. Let's not wait any longer. Let's kick it. As you can see, they have some print on the top, different wording and such. You have the speckle splatter print, whatever you like to call it, glossed on the box all the way around. Got my true size 8.5, black, white, anthracite, and black. They over wrapped these. The paper is similar to what the box is, but we'll bust open the other one because I looked at this one already. They individually wrap them inside the paper. I just think this is a little extra and unnecessary personally, but I mean, it is what it is, right? So just so you can see how it comes, because there is some bleeding possible. So they have these little sleeve protectors over the label on the tongue, even holds to the laces, because that could potentially bleed. So I mean, it's a good protective measure. I mean, I'm not mad that they did it, but look at these. Oh, buddy. Look at these. It's speckle splatter print on the midsole, which isn't as dense as usual. They've changed the compound with their polyurethane. It's not as dense as usual. But another, like, lesser noted touch I find, it goes from black to a faded gray-like, and it does that all the way around. So you have gloss. It starts extremely glossy in the back, and the gloss starts to fade as you come around into a more matte tone. I just think that's a nice subtle little touch that I don't think everybody's going to notice. Herringbone traction on the bottom, all white with some black pods, and then again you have that on the midsole. You have a light touch of gray for this, I guess, semi cup sole type of thing. That's for stability. You have this soft Durabuck. It looks like it could be actual genuine nubuck, but I could be wrong. I wouldn't put it past them, you know. And then you have some more with a different tone as we come around. You do have the die cuts to line everything up here. Just on this side, is that a die cut right there? That is a die cut. It's nubbed off a little bit, but just beautiful. I love the white lace holding spots, the white accents with all this black and gray. Just really set it off. It really does. As we come around the medial side, more of the same. On the back, Jumpman logo with that hard, like, rubberized, plastic-esque type of stuff. And then I'm pretty sure it's Dream Cell. I don't recall. I know it's not going to be polyurethane. It's going to be Dream Cell. Who we're kidding? But let's look at the tongue real quick. That flight tag in black and white. The tongue does feel pretty good. I don't think this one's going to squeak all that much. I don't even know exactly what type of material this is, honestly. And then you have the white, almost like microfiber fluffiness, nice and padded in the collar. Let's pull out this insole that is indeed Dream Cell as I feel it. Fuzzy sock liner, white Jumpman, and Dream Cell. Squishy, decent step-in comfort, you know. Absolutely nothing special. You can see the Strobel. A little bit of give. It's got some squish to it. As far as this polyurethane, I'm telling you, they've changed that compound to soften it up. It's not like walking on a plank anymore. So that was one of the reasons I never liked the original, you know, like 6 or 7 J's, is they're like walking on boards. There was no cushion. Like, I always wondered, like, what's the point of the air units if you can't feel them at all? You know, I never understood that, but they've improved over the years for comfort because they're more of a lifestyle shoe. Nobody's really hooping in these. I mean, some people do in the league, but it's a fashion statement that they're hooping in it more than anything. It's not because it feels great on their feet and it's just the best performance. Traction's really good. You got herringbone here, but this is an absolutely beautiful shoe. For a non-original color, this is the best of the bunch, by the way. The Fear Pack 5, when those are probably going to come out in 2025, I could care less. I didn't care about them the first time. The Fear 3s I've debated on getting, and they're actually below retail. The Fear 3s do look good, but hands down, the Fear 4, best of the pack. It's not even close. I think most people would agree, unless you're just a big fan of 3s like that or 5s, but the color blocking, color scheme with this silhouette, it's the one. It's the one. So this is going to be a shorter video because I'm eager to lace these up the way I like to lace them. You'll see in the on-foot portion, which you already saw. I just haven't filmed that yet. I'm ready to get these on feet and check them out. So I appreciate you looking around this shoe with me and checking them out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good one.